So what did you think this book was going to be when you started, and what do you think it turned out as?
Yeah, I definitely didn't want it to be called How to Change People's Minds, because that was never the intention. I wasn't really eager to get into persuasion at all, honestly. In the end, I was okay getting there because I redefined what that word means for myself. And it made me think about my own previous self. Like, if I look at an old diary, what would happen if I met that person? Would I get into arguments with them? And so I wanted to understand, why do we do that? But also, what happens inside of us when we change? And I mean at the level of neurons all the way up. And so I started asking around, and I started to really get a sense that, whoa, this is not something I can just go ask experts and then tell you what they told me kind of thing. It's going to require a lot of synthesis and a lot of investigation. And that's why the book started with, I'm just going to tell you how social change happens in the level of brains. But it became something that, honestly, I didn't even know. Like, I was telling this to the publisher recently. I don't know what genre this is going to be put in. Like, I don't know where you're going to stick it in the bookstore anymore, because it's it's just a book that happened to me and I'll let it happen. And I feel okay with that at this point.
With that, I hope you enjoy and benefit from this conversation with my friend, David McRaney.